In this video, guys, I would like to create something like this. So it means that at first you will create this triangle, and you can see that there are three angles. After that you will put there another angle, so it means there will be this square, and so on, because this square has four angles. This picture has 5 angles, 6, 8, 9, okay, and so on. It's up to you where it ends. So I would like to create something like this. So at first I would like to think like how can I create this triangle? So of course we will use for cycle. You don't have to be worried about the colors, okay? Anytime there is another color, so we will take care about that later, okay? So now I would like to create only triangle, nothing less, nothing more. So 4, I don't need the numbers, I think, in range, and how many times it goes. So it means it goes 1, 2, 3, so it means it goes 3 times, okay? And now we need to say I had the basic structure here already, okay? So import turtle and screen, create turtle, create screen, okay? And now I would like to take a turtle and go forward about 100, for example. So it means it's this, okay? It's 100, 100, 100. Perfect. But now I would like to turtle has to go right, correct? So it means it goes 100, and now it has to turn to the right in this way. But the question is, what's the angle? You know that all these 3 angles has together 360 degrees, so it means every angle is the same, so it means the one angle has to be 120 degrees, correct? So we will try that and we will see. So I will put there shift 120 degrees, okay? So go forward, shift 120 degrees, go forward again 120 degrees and again, okay? So run it. Okay, great, perfect. I like it. So now I would like to create the square. So what will be difference? So here I will write 360 divided by 3. Okay, so it means the result is 120. Great. Now there are 4 angles, so it will goes like this. It means 4 times, but here will be 360 divided by 4. And how many or how much it is? I guess it's 90. So we will see. I will run it. The first cycle, the second cycle. Perfect. So what do you think? What will be the next step? We will put here 5, because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will be 360 divided by 5. So again, how much is it? I guess it's 70, 72. It's possible. I hope. Run it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. I like it. So it goes like this. So, and we can continue and continue. 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope that you catch the drift. So this is the main point. But in the next video, we will create some more efficient code. So it doesn't make sense to make a 4 cycle, and so on. So I would like to create one big cycle. It will be a while cycle, and we will see how it goes.